Today, I would like to persuade you that learning another language is important in today's multinational society. I will provide the facts that learning a different language can either help you progress in your life professionally, personally, and mentally. Having the ability to speak another language is very important at times. Imagine yourself in a place where everyone around you spoke another language and you are unable to communicate with them. That's a scary feeling. You are standing in a classroom wondering how you're going to get to high school without knowing English. At that moment you feel lost, confused, because people around you have no idea what you're saying and you can't speak their language. Those feelings in which you are wondering why you are at a place where they don't speak your language are very powerful feelings. Of course, at that moment of confusion in that classroom, you think to yourself, man, you have a decision to make. You need to learn this language if you want to succeed. That was me at 13 when I moved with my father after my parents' divorce. I only knew Spanish, a little bit of French, and not a word of English. Today, I'm going to talk to you about learning another language and the importance of it. First, I would like to introduce you to a variety of languages that you could learn and you can profit from, like Spanish, French, and German. It is important to have the ability to communicate with other people. Sadly, we are human beings, creatures of comfort. We don't like to change. Sometimes we don't like to learn. Every person speaks a language. However, is that language universal? Does everyone understand what you're saying? Having the ability to learn a different language enhances so many factors in your life, like professionally or personally. According to statistics published on www.gooverseas.com, titled Why Foreign Language Still Important, states 1.5 billion people speaks English, which makes it a universal language. So one can say, I don't have to learn another language because everyone else is learning English. But why limit yourself? What about the other 5.5 billion people who don't speak any English at all? How are you able to communicate when you're traveling around the globe? The ability to speak the language of the country you're visiting can make your visit more enjoyable. It shows a little sense of respect to the culture that you're visiting. It shows that you're willing to learn their language. Still not convinced? You still don't see the need to learn another language? Okay. Do you like money? Would you like to be competitive on a global scale? Learning a new language can make you more money and it can help you in your career. A career enhancement when you speak another language in tomorrow's workplace could be endless. The promotion that you might see when you know another language, such as Spanish, German, or French, could be a reality. Most companies offer bonuses to employees who are bilingual. According to an article published on www.economist.com titled What is a Foreign Language Worth? States, an average starting salary of a college graduate is almost $45,000. Imagine that our graduates save that language bonus. 1.5 for Spanish, 2.3% for French, and 3.8 for German. Assuming that 1% real salary increase per year and a 2% average real return over 40 years, a 2% language bonus turns into an extra $67,000 in your retirement account. This translates into big differences in the language account. Your Spanish is worth $51,000, French $77,000, and German $128,000. Humans are famously bad at weighing the future against the present. Invest in the future by learning a second language. I don't know about you, but I would like to have a clear, healthy mind when I retire. Finally, I would like to discuss the importance of learning a foreign language and how it can help you mentally. According to University of Harvard, speaking another language can help and improve in young infants. It also helps with improving simple decision making. According to University of Chicago, teaching children at an early age another language can improve their development, expand their mind, and will also improve their understanding of their world around them. Being bilingual will also lessen the chances of developing diseases that might cause terminal illness to individuals such as dementia and Alzheimer's. All good reasons to learn a second language, but the decision is yours. Today, I have given you solid facts pertaining to the importance of learning a different language. I have spoken to you on why knowing a different language is a must in our society. In order for you to function in a world where everyone speaks languages besides English, it's extremely crucial to be successful on a vacation while visiting a foreign country, at work if you want to make more money, or if you want it to be part of your mental well-being. One can argue Spanish could be a good choice because however, at the same time, also think of why learning other languages besides English and Spanish could be more important. You have a decision to make. Whether you or your kids learn a second language, knowledge of other languages will be a valuable asset in the workplace of tomorrow. You need to be ready. Thank you.